What's up, guys? Welcome back to another fantastic vlog. We are doing a ton of stuff today. So as you guys can see, I have a ton of garbage over here. That was our kitchen counter and the sink and everything, and it's all out here now in a million different pieces. I got the drawers over there. Guys, this is our new countertop in boxes from IKEA. I gotta tell you, getting that stuff from IKEA was so easy. And if you've ever been to IKEA, you'll know that it's like not an ideal place to walk around. It just stinks. The place is huge. It seems like it never ends. There's a lot of options and a lot of stuff for you to look at, but it's like a whole day thing and it's exhausting. The nice thing about this is you can go online. They give you the measurements for everything. You can go find what you like and buy it online, and you can pick it up right in store. They'll bring it right to you at your spot. So
the store doesn't open until 10, but you could start pickup at 8.
Right.
Which was really nice.
Yeah, so it was super simple, super quick. They brought everything out. I mean, we must have waited less than 5 minutes. And we just picked it up and we headed back. We picked this up in Orlando. So kudos to IKEA. We really appreciate it. So I cleared this all out inside where the old dresser was, or old little kitchen area, I should say, and wiped everything down. I put a little bit more tile down to even it out. And then now we're going to go back on the bus and start building each cabinet one by one. Hopefully this doesn't take all day. Yes, hi IKEA. Yeah, I ordered a kitchen countertop, and I seem to have just gotten some lumber. Like a lot of lumber.
It doesn't come pre-built.
And I changed my mind.
Can you
I'm gonna
pay for somebody to install it?
I'm gonna give you the $160 to put this thing together because screw this. Oh, it's too late. You already gave me my crap? Okay. Yeah, you have a Merry Christmas too, sir. Okay, bye. Alright, let's open her up and see what we gotta do. Well, you're not supposed to hump it, apparently. That's a no.
And it grabs your heart.
Yeah.
What is that?
I don't know what these instructions are telling me.
Oh, look! He's calling IKEA.
Yeah.
You want somebody to come build it?
What the hell is that? That's a person?
He's
what
smiling.
is that?
His hand is half a road.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, page 1. Oh, what the hell is that?
Oh my God.
All right, page 1.
Page 6.
Oh, what happened to page 1?
No.
What is that?
Alright, we gotta get you out of
1-800-handyman?
I changed my mind.
Yeah, for real. I'd rather go back to my dresser with a missing door on it. Oh, it's gonna be a long day, guys. Alright, guys, after 55 hours of building this IKEA thing, here it is. Check it out.
It legit took us a few hours.
It took us a while, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. The instructions were horrendous, and you know, it just took. You know, I put stuff on backwards accidentally sometimes, or I had to move it around. It just is what it is. But it came out really nice. Love the hard top. This thing is solid, by the way. You know, you think IKEA, you think kind of like junky. This thing is not moving. Like it's heavy. It's very heavy, yeah. And it's shorter in length, but it actually comes out quite a bit further. So you still have a ton of prep room. We want to put our sink
like right here.
Yeah, here. So we're not going to get a ginormous sink.
Yeah, I can't use my bin. It'll take up too much space.
Yeah, the other thing with this is it also sits up quite a bit higher. So if we were to use Sam's sink, the sink would be sitting up here, and that's almost like chest height with me. It would just be awkward doing dishes. But we have everything up. Oh, look at that nice sticker. That is really nice. Damn, somebody should buy one of those. But we have our coffee maker over here. We're going to keep that in the corner. Did you... No. We didn't even glue this down yet, and we've been driving, and it hasn't gone anywhere, but I think we're going to...
It has the residue from the tape on it. I'm just nervous about putting the alien tape on here, and if I want to move it, ruining this.
Right, but this is solid. Really nice. As you can see, let me scooch over here, Sam.
Da-da-da.
So we had enough room in the corner, so we had our fridge put here, and then we put the microwave on top. When we're driving, I put the Jackery down here because the weight of the Jackery actually pushes the microwave to fall off. And I was sitting here while we were driving the other day, and it fell onto my wrist, and I thought I broke my wrist. But it looks really nice. It looks super clean. I have the generator right there for now. Eventually, probably after the holidays, I'm going to get a rack built for the back to keep the generator on. And then the Christmas tree will be gone. We're going to get our nice couch right here.
I really want to get recliners.
Yeah,
like that.
We've been looking at possibly getting RV-style recliners. One, because they're a lot smaller, they're lighter. I just got to look into the price, see how much they are. I know you can get like dual recliners with the center console in there. That'd be really nice. We're always losing our TV remote, so it'd be nice if we had like a secure place to just kind of keep that.
Because if we get a futon, we've had futons in the past in apartments, RVs, and they're just so uncomfortable.
Yeah, I think I only sat on like one futon. It's actually from Walmart. It was pretty comfortable, that big poofy one.
Yeah.
But I think it was like $400 or $500, and I don't know if we're looking to spend that much money. But this is how it looks, guys. It looks really nice. There's actually way more storage in this thing now too. Samantha doesn't want me showing you because it looks like a mess.
Well, hold on. Let me see the side.
All right, hold on.
This side might be cleaner.
Censored. Let's see, how's it look?
Yeah, it's a little messy. I mean, it was late at night. I'll just show you.
We just swapped everything pretty quick. So you can see it goes all the way to the back. And we kind of just threw everything. And then you also have the pass-through over there, but I mean, we'll just open the other door. Yeah. But there's tons of storage with the shelf here. We're probably going to have to take this shelf out eventually, though, because when we put the sink in,
That's what I'm nervous about, too, is once we put the sink in, I lose a lot of space. So I won't be able to fit whatever's here on that side. So I'm really, like, don't know what I want to do, if I really do want to do a sink or not.
It'd also be nice if we could do some kind of, like, pantry cabinet or something. We'll have to look into that. See
if we do the sink, I would need. They sell this, but smaller and skinnier, so I could always get that, and I don't know, put it here maybe.
I don't think so, but all right.
Or maybe move this over a little more, move this over, and try to squeeze something. I don't know.
So I don't know if you guys have noticed, I am not running the generator today. I haven't ran the generator in 2 or 3 days. It has been nice and cool out now that the wintertime is coming here in Florida. The windows are open. There's no generator humming. There's no, I don't have to worry about running the AC all the time. It's in the window, but it's not running. It's just in the window to be out of the way.
I can't wait till we get the mini split so we don't have to worry about that.
Yes. I do, however, I went to storage and I picked up our solar panels, and I will show you guys those. We used to use them for the van, and then I put them in storage for the summer because, there's no point in having the solar out when you're running the generator anyway, because it's just too hot and you have to run the air conditioner. But now that we don't have to run the air conditioner every day, I brought the solar panels out. So right now we are getting 120 watts of solar. This has a controller in it, an MPPT controller in it, and it only limits you to about 140 watts on intake. So we're getting 120, which is pretty good. And we were at 6%, like...
No, we were at 2.
Oh, 2. We were at 2%, like, literally, like, maybe 10, 15 minutes ago. Yeah, it wasn't a long time. So this thing is charging up really fast, and it's all free, powered by the sun. Yep. I went to go order the Renogy flexible solar panels for the roof today, and it said they had 2 left. And I went to go order them. I sent them to Sam because she does all the ordering. I don't like to fuss with that. So I sent it to her, and by the time we checked out, it was saying that they were unavailable. Yeah. So somebody must have... usually when it says, oh, there's only 2 left, I think it's a marketing scheme, but I guess there really was only 2 left. So I got to wait for those to come back into stock. And
I'm going to keep an eye out, too, since Cyber Monday, and see if maybe there's another brand that we can go with.
Right. But for now, I have the portables. I'll show you guys in a minute. I have those outside. And those are working fantastic. It's just you have to bring them in and out every time rather than just having them mounted permanently to the roof. Alright guys, so these are 120 watt Zoombro portable solar panels. So these literally fold up all the way into a suitcase. They come with a handle, and they come with a whole bunch of other attachments. 8mm is usually the standard for Jackery, and a whole bunch of other portable power stations. And then you can also use MC4 connectors, so if you want to just plug it into like a regular, solar style thing, you can do that. But they're super convenient. They come with their own little leg supports. You can position them however you want. And you just move them throughout the day with the sun, wherever the sun is located. So I have our wires running up. And these are the stock wires. These are not extensions. And they're pretty long. They're probably about 10 feet. And that works for us. And I also have another 10 feet worth of extension in storage if I really need it. So I can extend them up to 20 feet away from the RV if the sun is in a certain area, but we want to keep the bus in the shade. So this works out really good. These are Zoombro 120 watt 18 volt solar panels, and they work really nice. And I'll try to put a link too, in case you guys are interested. All right, sorry about that, guys. We had people coming by who were interested in the bus. She's all smiles and everything. So, but yeah, if you guys are interested in those solar panels, I will put a link down below. I got them about a year ago, so hopefully I can find the link. But take a look down below, and I should have it up there. If not, I'll put something that's very comparable if you guys are interested. So they're really good, super convenient, especially if you don't want to permanently affix anything to your roof. All right, guys, moving on to the next project of the day. I don't know if you guys remember this. We actually had this for the conversion van when we had it, and I had it right up front, and it didn't last too long because, you know, the van was quite a bit older, and the outlets, the DC outlets, were really fidgety, and they were shorting out, and I was always changing fuses, and that never seemed to work. So there was probably a loose wire somewhere in there, and I just didn't want to take the whole dash apart just to figure that out. So we kind of just put this in storage and, you know, held on to it for a while. But now that we got the bus, and we have good working DC outlets and everything, we probably won't use it too much. But it is good to have, and I figured I have it, so I may as well take it out of storage and install it. This is a Bestek 500 watt inverter, and it's pretty convenient. You know, you have the two 120 outlets, you also have two USB outlets, and you can either wire it directly to the battery and everything, or you can use a 12 volt DC and plug it right into the DC outlet on the front of your vehicle or wherever you have any of these ports. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to use the DC outlet for now. Eventually down the road, maybe I'll do it, maybe I won't, I don't know. I probably won't, to be honest with you. I'll probably just leave it as DC because, like I said, we don't really use it that much. But I'm going to wire this up, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, all hooked up. So I got 2 bolts in the top, 1 in the bottom. This thing is on there solid, it's not going anywhere. And it runs right up, it's plugged in. You can leave this plugged in because you can actually kill the power to this just from a switch. So you just flick the switch, and it turns on. You'll see the green light illuminate, and then you have easy access to both of your 120 and to your USB ports. So super convenient. The fan is pretty quiet, you don't really hear much of it. This is a pure sine wave inverter, so you can plug in any of your electronics, TVs, laptops, stuff like that, and they'll be completely safe. So yeah, that was a simple install, super easy to get done, and now we have power right at the front if we ever need it. Guys, is it what the f? Guys, is it, why can't I say it? Guys, it is officially time to retire the old YouTube sticker, and I'm gonna be throwing up the new one. So I'm gonna scrape this one off with a razor blade, and we're gonna replace it. All right, the new sticker is officially on there. Looks super good. It's super heavy duty, I'll tell you that much. Nice. Looks good with the rest of the stickers. I don't remember if I told you guys this is our new sticker that Sam got. We've had it for a while, we just didn't throw it up for, I don't know, probably a month or so. But that looks really good.
Alright guys, so I just finished taking a shower at Planet Fitness. It definitely comes in handy, especially when it's starting to get cold out. Even though I'm in Florida, it does get cold. So we're going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.